Hi, this is Chris Griffiths and we're back for MLS Class 1 Part 2, and here we're going to talk about logging into the MLS. And the first thing is that we strongly suggest that you use the association homepage, GAOR.org, as your homepage on the internet, and we do that for three reasons. Number one, it's a great place to keep up with the news of what's happening in the association, the latest classes and all that good stuff. Number two, if you come to the Forms and MLS tab here, it's a great place to find all the forms and rules and videos and stuff. And lastly, if you come over here to the iTech MLS, it's a great place to log into the MLS. Now this login actually allows access to the public. So what you want to do as an agent is come down here to MLS Access and go in here. Now there are three things you're going to need for the MLS. Number one is your agent ID. This is given to you when you join the MLS. It's assigned randomly. It's not something you have a choice over, so learn to love it. And once you click through, we're going to get to the password. Now the password is something that you're going to be asked to change every 90 days. And it needs to be a combination of uppercase, lowercase and numerals. I would not suggest making it too difficult, because especially if you're going to log in using a smartphone or a tablet, you don't want it to be too onerous. You want it to be something that you can log in pretty easily with. And then the next thing is the security questions. Now the security questions are something that you're going to have to remember. When you work on your machine, you're not actually going to need to put these in too frequently. They're going to be stored for you in your cookies. So it's really only a matter of when you log in from a foreign machine, or if you ever clear your cache of cookies, that you're going to need this. Just make sure that you remember the answers. So if you choose, the name of your oldest nephew, just remember your oldest nephew, okay? And lastly, okay, I actually blew past it, so we're going to go back a second. What I wanted to show you, I'm actually making a mess of this, so let's log off and go back in again. When we do this, there we go. You see the picture here. This is an anti-phishing device. Phishing in this case is spelled P-H-I-S-H-I-N-G. Phishing is where other people pretend to be your website just to steal your login and what have you. So if you ever come to the MLS and the picture is not the picture you chose, it's going to be the same picture as long as you remember. Don't log in. Call the association and let them know, because it means someone's trying to play silly games with our MLS. Okay, so that's how you log into the system, and in our next class we're going to talk about the home page. Very good, thank you.